Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to set up a Figma account. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first thing, you can go into your browser and search for figma.com, and then here you will be routed into this page, and it will provide you on a brief description on what Figma is about. So for you to get started, just click on the button or the blue button here that says get started if you haven't created any account yet. Or if you have created an account, you just go ahead and click on login. But for us to begin or create our own new account, you just click on get started, and from here what you can do is you can sign up using your Google account, or you can simply type in your email and then you can create your password, and then you can just click on create account. So they will ask you about more about yourself, like your first name and what your occupation is about. And this will also ask on what is the main use, or how do you mainly use Figma for your project. So here I just click on personal use and just make sure that you click on or checked the agree in order for you to create the account here on Figma. Wait for it to load up, and once finished, you will be routed into your dashboard, and here you can type in the name of your team. So for example, for a specific project, you have another team for that, and another project, you have another team. So you can simply manage your projects easily here as well. You can also add your collaborators, like your teammates and your friends. And here are different plans as well. So if you're a starter, it's simply for free. And if you wanted to upgrade to a professional plan, where if you want to do this professionally, you can purchase or subscribe to the professional plan here on Figma. And here you can see a lot of templates that you can use, and you can start your new design or your own blank design here in Figma. And that's basically how you set up your Figma account. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.